Los Angeles. You murdered Renegade in Minneapolis. You shot Miramar Martinez in Chicago. You shot two more people in Portland. Are you going to shoot me too? You shot at a car in Colorado. You shot a man in Arizona. You shot a man in Maryland. You murdered Silverio Villegas Gonzalez in Chicago. Are you going to shoot me too? You shot at a man in St. Paul. You murdered You murdered Alex Preddy in Minneapolis.